Good morning, Bangalore. We're doing something a little bit different today. We're going down to SP Road. I'm headed there with a friend to see if we can get a laptop repaired. Apparently that's where you get everything repaired, right, Jerry? This is my buddy Jerry. He's in Facebook. Hi, dude. So I found out that Jerry doesn't like peanut butter. I'm like, what? What dog doesn't like peanut butter? I tried offering him some peanut butter crackers this morning and he totally turned his nose up at it. Snooty beast. What dog in the world does not like peanut butter? That dog. This is Nidhi. Stop internet. Now she's gonna be famous.
Yeah, Ola is great. It just gives 100 rupees coupons everywhere and you get to just go around. Yeah.
So we're gonna go cheap today. And I don't have to drive, this is our duty.
You're going Daisy today, that's how we call it.
What's that?
You go Daisy today.
Daisy today. I think we're almost there. She says we've almost reached. This has been great. You know, like typically I'm on the bike and I'm riding around, and so I don't get the chance to look anymore.
And autos help me do that.
Yeah, and so an auto gives me an opportunity to actually appreciate what I'm looking at here instead of just worrying about what I'm going to die from. Can't capture the smell of these flowers, which are incredible.
Do you want me to ask someone where the hotel is?
No, I think we're getting close. My phone says we're headed down this way. Well, it's kind of barren here. I guess we're coming at the wrong time.
Yeah, it's the afternoon, so all the morning pujas are done. By then all the flowers are taken.
All the flowers have already been picked, huh? Taken and gone. And
yep, now they
people
need
have done your puja and gone to work.
Yeah. We gotta go down the road, is it?
Yep, just down the road a bit more. And not die.
We tried.
Hey, found it. Oh, this is professional. Hi, guys.
That's hot.
All right. Well, we found this place. Oh, these guys are taking a sign down. Look at that. And so apparently it's not the laptop that's busted at all. It's the charger that's incompatible and causing the touchscreen to freak out. He said if the impedance mismatches, then it'll cause an issue with the touchscreen. So we just have to make sure that we charge it well and then use it when it's not plugged in. But these guys were great. They were super professional. We took a 360 picture and we'll put it up on Google Maps.
They were really coordinated.
Yeah. And now it's time for a little snack. Maybe Thunder ice cream. It's a really colorful road here. I'm going to see if I can.
We need to get you some food, yeah?
No, thank you.
What do you need to eat? What do you want to eat?
Anything. Man, it smells so good here. All this fruit, food.
Fruits and flowers.
Flowers, yeah, this is a great smelling road.
Oh.
Something saga?
Yeah, something saga. No, it's actually called roti gur. I believe
This
you
is
get
a little
rotis.
too upscale for me.
Oh, you like the I love the sound of kiwi fruits.
I love this. We're down here, like, what's this?
Would you like to crash to someone's wedding there?
Is it somebody's wedding?
There.
Yeah. Oh, this must be their wedding ride.
I doubt that.
Yeah, I find it funny, just the kind of vast difference of economic scale, where you've got people who are making their whole living selling flowers, and then people down here driving like a big shiny Audi that's like super fancy.
Oh, that's look at the number, it's 777.
Oh my. Girl.
got to get out, make it down to Gandhi Bazaar. Got to figure out what was wrong with the laptop, even though nothing was wrong with the laptop. Met some really cool people at this service center though, who can help me out with some other things, other broken electronics that I have that I didn't know I could get fixed. And got to do a little adventure and take some good photos, and now we get to go home and put it all together. And I stopped at Annabelle, got a beef burger. Oh man, I forgot to blog about that. I should have blogged about that. So, yeah, the beef ban here has been lifted. Hey, there's the Flash. I like finding superhero shirts. There's a lot of superhero shirts in and around the city, and I'm always curious to see which ones are popular. I see a lot of the Flash. I see Superman, Batman, Captain America. I see quite a bit of Captain America. Every now and then you see somebody else really cool, like a Green Lantern or a Deadpool or something like that. So, excited I get to go home and have some beef now. Stopped at this place called Annabelle, getting a beef burger from them. And I can smell it. It's in my backpack right now. I got it parceled ready to go. I'm so hungry. Let's do it.